fucking go! Ooh, what's up guys? So as the video states, yep, that's right, I am done hooking everything up on the car. So for the most part now, let me go over everything. I have been working off camera for quite some time for the last few weeks. It's only been a week for y'all. So we're gonna go over everything I've done. I believe I showed some stuff. We already got the fuel system installed and everything like that. So yeah, let me go over everything, and we're gonna attempt to fire this thing up today. Get that first start. Still got a few things to do, but nothing major. So let's go over what we got. So got the shifter installed, yay. I think I showed that, can't remember. We got the Holley dash installed right there. We got the dash back in. I don't even know if I showed that on camera. Ended up having to pull the dash. Yeah, so needless to say, we got the Holley installed right there. Ended up taking all this out, the dash, the center console, and the carpet. Ended up routing everything down the body line so you can't really see. So when somebody sits here, I think the seat's going to cover up most of this right here anyway. So when somebody sits there, they're not putting their feet on the wires going across the floorboard. So if you're doing wiring, do it right. Don't do it like I did the first time. You'll end up having to redo it all. So yeah, I am still hooking up the nitrous bottle brackets. Got one installed, got that done. Got the nitrous relay, got all the wires run. I know they're run down like that, but that's, I came up short on the wiring part, guys. So let me, before, well, I'll go ahead and show you. So ended up putting the two fuel relays right here. Got the battery tray mounted. I have to get the piece that holds it, but that's for whatever right now. So we did get the fuel stuff installed, got the wiring done. So I remember showing y'all, let's see all my wiring up here. We ended up tearing a lot of the wires out of this and using them because, well, that I couldn't use. Ordered it, couldn't use it. So we got that done. As far as the motor goes, we got the nitrous solenoids and the purge solenoid hooked up. Got the nitrous line run. Ended up running everything through this one hole. That sucks. Didn't really want to do it like that, but that's the way we ended up doing it. We ended up ordering another MetroPack connector and hooking up our igniter wire, I guess you could say, for the alternator. So we got that done. The only thing we're lacking right now, I got to finish hooking up the tensioner pulley to put the belt back on. But for the most part, we are ready to hook up. Oh, and another thing, I'm going to show y'all a little something here. So with the Ford, if you know anything about Fords, if you're interested in doing an LS, you have the what they call the PATS system. PATS system sucks. With that, it connects the ECU, the dash, the starter. It disables the coils and the injectors, if I'm not mistaken. So, in order to do the starter, and I'll show y'all that I got mine working. I'm going to show y'all. This is by key too, by the way. See, key. Ugh. See if we gotta find the damn thing. All right. So y'all hear it? There goes fuel pumps. So that's hooked up. Anyways, so in order to do that, Ford factory stuff actually sends ground signal to the starter relay. Golly, my back's itching. So what you need to do is you need to find that good old well, y'all aren't gonna be able to see me. Anyways, in the passenger side panel where the little connector hooks up to the ECU, pin 25. Go ahead and snip it, ground it to the chassis. There's a ground in there, so you got to do that. Also, you need a 12-volt signal. So, and I'm going to show you all that. Let me show y'all. All right, passenger side, right where the mass airflow sensor, you got pin, gray pin, well, gray connector, and you got pin 1 and 5. Those two need to be tapped together. You tap those together, and that's what enables your starter. So that's something good to know. So let's see if y'all can see it. Y'all see it? I just use one of those little tap things. So we did that. So basically, only a few things left I gotta do. I need to get all those ground portions for the solenoids and ground them down, but that's here nor there. So we need to finish up that, but back to what we're gonna be doing today. I got the old laptop. We're gonna be uploading a tune that Dakota sent over to us and see if we can't get this old girl fired up. We got brand new spark plugs, brand new spark plug wires. I just hope it fires up. So yeah. But I'm going to work on getting that tune put in. I still need to bolt a lot of stuff down. Get my Holley cable. Alright. Keep it up into the. Let's see. Alright. Before I can do anything, I gotta fix this fuel leak. Whoops. So I have developed a fuel leak at the Y-Fit. Believe it or not, when I first started testing this fuel stuff, didn't have a leak, believe it or not. So I'm going to, golly, I'm going to tighten down this fuel fit, and then I'll be back with y'all. We can start seeing if we can't fire this old girl up. Alright, so we done sent it to the ECU. Let's see if we can't get it to fire over. Ooh, here we go, guys. Well, I don't think we're getting nothing. Let's see. not getting anything. Alright, let me see what we got going on here. Look over stuff. I don't think we're getting nothing. I still got that fuel leak. Huh. We'll have to see. Let me look over some stuff. So, I may have started it first, but there's okay, retry. So I ended up having to do a TPS auto reset. Yeah, that dinging's getting on my nerves. So we did get it fired up though. We're gonna do it one more time just so I can get it on video. It's straight headers, guys. So just be forewarned. Earphone users, be warned. Let's see. Alright, something's gotta give. That joker was like at 3,000. But we did get a first start. Just loud. Probably gonna have to adjust the throttle body just a hair. So yeah. First start. First start. Yeah, I'm gonna have to adjust that down low because it's still set for the turbo car. Yeah. Yeah. I think we're first starting up. I want to see if I can adjust it real quick and see if we can't get the idle down a little bit so it ain't so revved up so high. Yeah. Alright, so we figured out the high idle issue. We backed the throttle body off a little bit, just got the phone to cut, and make sure you plug your holes right here. So I got 2 vacuum ports plugged up. So we're going to crank this thing one more time. I'm probably going to leave y'all sitting over here and let me see if I got my tripod. Get my tripod out and crank it up from here. It's still going to be loud, so headphone users, beware. It scared me the first time. And I'll probably fix that fuel leak one day this week. I think it's I think I didn't seat the little piece inside the fitting well enough. So I'm gonna put y'all up on the tripod and crank it up from there. So let's go. Alright guys, so I got y'all up on the tripod. We're gonna see if we can't get some oil pressure in this thing and see how it does. Let's go. Yeah, don't look at my fuel leak. Woo, she runs, guys. She runs. Oh, so that's not the last thing we're gonna go over today. I went today and picked up a little something. Something. Gonna really change the look of this car. So let me pull. Golly. Let me pull my. Dang it. Oh well. Maybe I'll get back further now. So went went out of town today and picked up a little something for the car. Yeah. I had one on my last new edge, believe it or not. So let me show y'all what I got. We got us a OG 4-inch cowl hood. That's gonna be going on that. What? So yeah, we got us a nice little 4-inch cowl hood. It's already painted black. Not really worried about the paint, because if y'all ain't seen this car already, paint ain't all that great. So yeah, there's the bumper. It's all cracked. So yeah, it's sun fade and everything. But yeah, she's up and running, guys. Short little video. Figure I'd post it. I mean, got a few little things left to do. We need to get a radiator. Once we get the radiator, we'll get some hoses. Hopefully fix those. Fix it. We need to order a master cylinder and bleed the brakes. Once that's done, and we gotta get the serpentine belt. I had to get a LS1. Apparently a truck style will not work on this. So yeah, that's LS1. Truck style serpentine doesn't work, just saying. So yeah, we are rocking on. We got our first fire up. I am, to say the least, ecstatic about that. I've really been wanting to hear this thing fire up, so at least see how much oil pressure we got. We got 50 pounds on cold, so it'll probably idle down about 20, down to 25, 30 on hot maybe. So, but we definitely need to put some exhaust on this. I'll show y'all over here. Got a nice little kit from Speed Engineering. Got the Evil Energy V-band clamps. So we're gonna be building us our exhaust from that. That is our X-pipe kit, what they call it. It's a universal X-pipe kit. So yeah, I believe I'm gonna be trying to take this thing off the jack stands once I get that fuel leak fixed, because I do need to fix that. I'm gonna have to probably pull it out a little bit and bring it outside the car, because working underneath it sucks. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. A little short video, ain't as long as my other ones. I'm really iffy when running this car without a radiator. I don't want to run it too long. I do not want to mess anything up. But it does have oil, so we do have oil pressure. So let's go. I am ecstatic about that shit. So got the car running. We should be I want to say in the next week or so. I might just go order the radiator tonight. So order the LS swap radiator, make some mounts for it. Not sure if we're going to utilize the factory ones. Try to, maybe, I don't know, we'll see. Yeah, hit that thumbs up if y'all like this video. Hopefully y'all gained some knowledge off that PATS system, because it took me forever to figure out how to do that crap. Hit that thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you ain't subscribed and you want to see more. Got way more of this coming. Going to start trying to hit the drag strip down there in Mobile, Alabama. Yeah. So it's time to get back to racing. It's getting hot. But yeah, comment down below if you got any questions about this car. I acted kind of a donkey, man. I'm ecstatic about this, guys. Can't wait to get back to racing. Got some things to tie you up on the car, but I think that's gonna be a wrap for this video. It's gonna be a short one. I'm gonna upload it, and we'll see y'all in the next one.